Hi guys, welcome to my DBA classes. This is a real IT lab. This course, we will talk about using the rowid to optimize the SQL performance. Next, we will see a special situation. In my workplace, I met a super critical case. Next, I will share with you. Someday, a developer sent me a SQL. She said the SQL has been running for 30 minutes, but cannot be finished. Developers running SQL. Update OPT A. Set A gun K ID equals stack B KID from OPT B, where AID equal BID. But it had been running for 30 minutes, but cannot be finished. I guess in 1 hour it will be finished. I guess it need 1 hour. We can analyze a SQL. Set counts start from tables OPT 1 is about 226,000 rows, and next we can count the other table OPT 2 is about 227,000 rows. We can see the number of the rows need to be updated are about 226,000. Almost the whole table need to be updated in the SQL operation. Let's analyze the number of the updating. Set counts start from the table A and table B, where SID equal B's ID and SID unequal B's ID. Use this SQL we can find the result, the number of the updating. We say about the first situation. We can guess the equation plan. A table hatch join B table. Almost close to update A operation need to scan the whole first table A. If we choose to click index, but update operation is still slowly. Yeah, maybe you can consider about it. And we can consider about using the PL/SQL to solve this problem. The first step, we can rewrite the only nodes and the SQL in the following. Wow, yeah, this is a solution. And the declares an equation. Cursor is the stack IDs, KID from the OPA's table and OPT with ID and the BID. And we declared and the variables we count number begins we counter equal 0, and we declare another cursor, and the first rows in cursor root updates table A set AID equal load and the BID. We counter at 1. If we counter more than 1000, then commit. And we set we counters equal 0, and this is a root. Yeah. but you can think it could run about less than and 30 minutes. It only use 2 minutes. It only runs less 2 minutes. Do you see the reason? Why the SQL statement has been running for a long time? Do you know the reason? Why? 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 Why the SQL statement has been running for a long time? The second stack, you can think about OS and over again. Why the SQL planks so slowly, like a snail. You can have a view at the time. You wanna update OPT1 table, system must scan the whole table, OPT1. If we tell the SQL the row ID of the rows begin update, a table 8 don't need to scan the whole number. As long as you found the needed updates rows by the row ID quickly, it's okay. We can use the row ID way to deal with this problem. And this is a key point, This is a key point. Do you feel different? If there's no big number of the rows, don't need order by. Why? You can have a deep think in the following course. We will talk about it. This is a key point. Let us row ID equals and B table row ID. It only needs about 1 minute 21 seconds to finish instead of 30 minutes. Wow, wow, wow! It only needs 1 minute 21 seconds to finish instead of 30 minutes. But the SQL statement has been running for a long time. You can have a view at a time. Systems updates OPT1 table at a time. See you next time. Goodbye. Bye bye.